Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to easily update the BIOS on your Asus laptop. Let's get started. First, open your browser. Type the name of your laptop or motherboard into the search bar to navigate to its official website and find the latest BIOS update. Once the official website of your device opens, go to the Driver and Utility section. Next, click on BIOS and Firmware. Now, you'll find the latest BIOS update. Simply click the Download button to get it. Once the download is complete, insert a USB drive into your computer to transfer the downloaded BIOS update file. Next, go to the Downloads folder and copy the downloaded file to your USB drive. Attention! Before pasting the file, make sure to format your USB drive to FAT32 so that the BIOS update file can be read correctly. Okay, now that your USB drive is formatted to FAT32, you can paste the BIOS update file and then extract it onto the drive. Okay, now that the extraction is complete, restart your computer to access the BIOS and begin the update process. Press F1 during the startup of your computer to enter the BIOS. Once you're in the BIOS, look for the EZ Flash utility, or a similar option in the BIOS menu. This is usually found under the Tool or Advanced section. In the EZ Flash utility, choose the option to update from a USB drive. Browse and locate the BIOS update file you extracted earlier. After selecting the update file, confirm the action to start the BIOS update. The system will verify the file and begin the update process. That's it, your BIOS is now successfully updated. Don't forget to subscribe and help me reach 1,000 subscribers.